Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into MetaMask without a seed phrase. When your MetaMask wallet is already set up on your browser, you typically only need your password to access it. The seed phrase is primarily for restoring your wallet on a new device or after a browser reset. Simply open your browser extension and enter your password to unlock your funds. If you accidentally removed the MetaMask extension, don't panic. Reinstall it from your browser's official store. As long as your browser's local data hasn't been cleared, your wallet information should still be there. After reinstalling, you can log in using your password, just as before. This works because your password decrypts the wallet data stored locally on your computer. While you can log in daily with just your password, it's crucial to understand the seed phrase's role. This 12-word phrase is your master key, allowing you to restore your entire wallet on any device, even if your computer is lost or damaged. Without this phrase, if your local browser data is ever completely wiped, your funds become permanently inaccessible. To ensure the long-term security of your digital assets, always store your seed phrase in a very safe, offline place, like a physical safe. Never share it with anyone. Also, create a strong, unique password for your MetaMask wallet, ideally one with at least 12 characters, including numbers and symbols. These practices are vital for protecting your valuable cryptocurrency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.